The mega project is like that. They only have to have that mega project, not to come to the restaurant and stop the restaurant music at 8 o'clock.
We are not coming for restaurant. We are not going for restaurant for mega events.
Mega events so मुळात ते restaurant आपण मोठा करायचं.
Restaurant नका आवाज आहे. Noise pollution.
Music is tourism मारा. Music का tourism को
आपण हे बघतो पॉइंट 85 करोड आणि एका पंचायतीला सर्व लोक एकटा केला तो इसा. पॉइंट ऑर्गनाइज करा. This is very important. This is for the health of the whole government.
As a restaurant owner, as I'm not included in the tourism business, I'm not getting anything out of the tourism business. For our locals, if our locals are running any restaurants, okay, locals.